Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Google Search Console and selecting the verified property. This gives you access to query data. Once done, navigate to Performance and choose the date range to capture recent trends. Make sure to switch filters to Web and include impressions and CTR columns. You should also upload or prepare your list of target keywords and map each to its landing page, because you will use that mapping for comparison and deeper inspection a moment from now. Next, focus on the Queries table. Type a target keyword into the filter so you see exactly where you rank. Then add a page filter if you want ranking for a specific URL. This isolates intent and landing relevance. Also set device and country filters since rankings vary by context. Once filtered, sort by average position or clicks to find opportunities. If a keyword has high impressions but low clicks, investigate title and meta to improve CTR. Finally, export the filtered query report to CSV and merge it with your tracking sheet so you can chart week-to-week position changes. Once exported, look at average position trends and click patterns to decide optimization priorities. Focus on keywords ranking between positions 6 and 21st. If Search Console shows no data for a keyword, check verification status, ensure the correct property type, prefixed versus domain, and clear conflicting filters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.